Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ayanna, so hello. And today I'm going to be doing a braid out tutorial on my natural hair. Actually, I don't know if people really know this, but you can do braid out on like perm hair, natural hair, any kind of hair, it doesn't really matter. But before I get started, I want to show you guys one of my favorite hair products I like to use, which is, hold on, I don't know if you guys can see. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't know if you guys saw it, but it's the Jackie's In Control Moisturizing and Softening Conditioner, which is what I just rinsed out. I think it's like one of the best products to use. Well, it's my favorite product to use like when I'm home in the Bahamas. So yeah, if you're interested, get on it. So today I'm gonna be using the Miss Jessie Multicultural Curls, the Camille Rose Moisture Milk. This is anyways, it's rice milk and macadamia oil. It smells so freaking good, and it's almost empty, so yay me. I have the As I Am leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to be greasing my scalp with the Blue Magic coconut oil. Yeah, so let's get started. So I also have a hair tie. I don't have a comb or anything because I personally don't believe that your parts need to be straight for this kind of hairstyle, but if you want it to be straight, go ahead and get yourself a comb before you get started. And because my hair is already soaking wet, well, not soaking, but it's already wet, I don't have a spray bottle neither. So yeah, let's get into this video. So the first thing what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pat the back of my hair. So let me turn to the side so you guys can see. Now that that's parted, what I'm going to do is apply my moisturizer and my leave-in conditioner together. And guys, I am on the verge of being out of products. Like, these hoes are empty. I'm going to grease my scalp with the coconut oil thingy. So this is the first braid. And we're just gonna finish through the back of my hair like that. And also, we're gonna grease in between each braid to make sure that, you know, it's all moisturized and stuff. Okay, so I finished the back and I have 3 braids right here. So I have another section that I just parted. I'm gonna grease the scalp again and then apply my moisturizer, conditioner, and curling cream. And then, so what you guys are going to do is we're going to do 2 layers of just plaits going back, and then once I'm finished this, I'm going to come back again and show you guys how to do the front, because the front is much different. And then, okay, so you see like how on the side here, oh my gosh, my hair looks so uncute. So you see right on the side here, like there's like this thing, so you're gonna part right there. And usually what I do is I do it on both sides, so I don't have to like do this all over again. So see, boom, it's not straight. I know, but like I said, it doesn't need to be straight because you're gonna lose them out. I look so freaking weird. So before I start this, you need to decide whether you're going to do a middle part, a side part, and decide which way you're going to do your side part. So for me, I'm going to do a side part, but I'm going to have to like really part this again. Now what I'm going to do is part it into again, part it into again. Oh my gosh. And now that I've done that, okay, I'm going to braid the bottom section all coming down this way on this side. This piece goes down. And this one I like to do kind of straight because I feel like this is more important because it's the front of my hair. So I'm probably gonna do like 2 braids. Seems sufficient. So I'm gonna do like 2 braids. And so now what I'm going to do, let me turn to the side. So I'm gonna part right here. And this one, this braid, I'm gonna braid coming down this way. So it falls this way. And then these 2 braids right here, I'm gonna braid coming down this way. So it doesn't all layer. So okay, basically what I'm trying to do is layer it a certain way, and I don't want it all to just lay this way because then it's going to look awkward and weird. So what I do is to the top I layer some to come to the back and layer some to come to the front, and that's basically what we're going to do. Okay guys, so I finished this section right here and this is how it's looking, and my face is getting kind of greasy now, so don't judge me. So what I'm going to do is, it's a lot of hair, so I'm gonna line it up with this. So I'm gonna part it right here for the second braid to the front because these 2 are down. So that means I'm gonna part it right there, and then the hair that's left from it, I'm gonna braid it going to the back, and then the hair that's in this section of the part, I'm gonna braid it coming down. This is how it looks, like all the braids are coming down instead of going on this side or this side. And so like I said earlier, the key to the best braid out is to actually layer your hair the way you want it to actually look. Because although people just be like, oh, just put in a bunch of big braids and loose it out, that's not really the key to it. Because then when you do that, you'll have to like layer it after you loose it out. And then it gets like more, well, for me, my hair gets faggy really quick. So when I do that, it speeds up the process of it getting faggy. So what I do is layer it properly. So when I loose it out, I can just like, you know, unravel it a little bit and then leave it as is. I won't do that much work. And the fogginess won't be that much. So now I just have this little piece left. And I'm going to braid all of these coming down on this side. So when I loose it out, it's going to be like this. Oh. I was trying to help up. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so as you guys can see, my braids are done. They're like D-O-N-E. Oh my gosh, my knee just cracked. But this is how it's looking, you know. And tomorrow, So tomorrow I'm gonna come back and show you guys the finished product, because obviously this is not the finished product, you know. And I'm also gonna show you guys Aya's finished product as well. And yeah, so with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow and show you guys how my hair looks. So yeah, and if you guys actually do this hair routine, I would love to see you guys photos. So make sure drop your photos in the comments or message me on social media, send me a picture, or tag me on social media in your photo, and yeah, so I can repost it and show some love to you guys. So with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow for sure to show you guys how it looks. So see ya, and enjoy your day. Okay, so now I'm going to loose out my hair. So what I'm going to do is spray it first again with this. I'm actually really nervous because I'm like, I haven't done a braid out in ages, okay? Like literally ages. So I don't know, I'm nervous. Okay guys, so now it's all done. I haven't separated any of it. Look at how it's looking. So real quickly, I'm going to go into my edges a little bit and then come back and do a little haircut for y'all. And then yeah. Okay guys, so I'm back. So this is how my braid out is looking right now. I haven't separated anything. As you can see, it still look like, you know, the regular braids. And so for my edges, the little suede, I use the Murray's Edge Wax, this one. So yeah, that's what I use for my hair. I also use it on Aya's hair as well, but I didn't really do my edges. So if you guys like the way my braid out came out, please send pics if you actually do the technique that I used. And I would love to, you know, show you guys some love and share it on social media and stuff like that. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to share with your friends and family and everyone. And thank you again for watching. Bye.